Okay, now that you've done your circles, I'm going to show you a different type of spider web. So I'm going to prepare you for the ellipse exercises, because we're not going to be drawing regular circles with these ones. We're going to be drawing ellipses. And ellipses are basically the bane of every artist's existence, because they're very hard to draw, and you need to know how to draw them for cylinders and all sorts of shapes. Car wheels, the tops of cups, barrels of a gun, anything that has a tube on it is going to need an ellipse. So we're going to draw shapes like this, concentrically. They don't need to be perfect, obviously, but it's just to practice. This is all about pencil control, these exercises. So fill up a page of your ellipse spider webs, and I'll see you in the next video.